In this tutorial, we're gonna see how to connect Zoho Mail to Outlook. Firstly, open your Zoho Mail account and click on Settings option in the top right corner of Zoho Mail. Go to Mail Settings, Mail Accounts, find and enable the IMAP access option. Once IMAP is enabled, save your settings. Now open Outlook on your computer and in the top left corner, click on File tab. Under the Account Information tab, click on Add Account. Microsoft Outlook offers an Auto-Connect account option. Enter your Zoho Mail address and password. Outlook will attempt to add a Zoho Mail account automatically. If Zoho Mail is added successfully, you're done. If the auto setup fails, proceed with the manual setup by selecting the Manual Setup or Additional Server Types option. Choose POP or IMAP as the account type, then click Next. In the User Information section, fill in your Zoho Mail details, like incoming mail server, outgoing mail server, and enter your Zoho Mail username and password. Configure ports like IMAP ports or SMTP port. After filling the necessary details, click Next. Now, all you have to do is test the account settings, and once the test is successful, click Finish to complete the setup, and you've now successfully added your Zoho Mail to Outlook.